Here we are at McDaniel. We're gonna go give it a go. It's supposed to be 7-mile-an-hour winds, but it looks like there is. Well, we'll go out anyway. Like it calm. Okay, this is McDaniel Pier. This is home of the Lake Waubesa Sailing Club. You can see here the yet unnamed, well, yet unchristened toucan, 16-foot Hobie. Toucan was appropriate. It's a very calm day though. It's supposed to be 7-mile-an-hour winds, but it's also unseasonably warm. I'm hoping once I get out there, the winds will pick up a little bit. I guess we'll see. Okay, here we go. We'll raise the sail, push her on off from the pier here. Should be pretty good, and I think the wind's gonna pick up. We'll find out. Well, pretty much dead in the water. There's zero wind right now. It's barely luffing the sails. Oh boy. Hopefully it'll pick up. Well, we finally got some. You can see the ripples across the water and it picked up speed. Here we're actually moving a little bit. I think it's gonna build as we go, but I'm excited that we're actually moving. Check back in a little bit. Check it out.